brakes.
So he's got the updated brakes.
The hood.
The hood. Oh, that's a badass hood. Whoa. And you see what it says on it, guys. Hint, hint. And then, dun, 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 dun. Oh my God. I'm jealous. You want to sell?
No.
You sure?
No.
Ah. Can you start this beast?
Yeah.
Again? You guys, all the way out here, and the set decibel is 112. That's a first. You guys hear that noise? It's like damaging. That's what it's saying. Wow. Yeah, it peaked over 130. You broke it. You broke it. That's awesome. It's ear piercing, man. It sounds so beautiful. It really does. He's going to get us a build sheet on it, and we might list it on there. Because a lot of people ask us for a build sheet on it. That sounds amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed. I need new asphalt. That's awesome. You guys can still hear it. Look, you can still hear it. It's got a WHIPPLE supercharger on it too.